Got an electrical defect notice in the mail? Yeah, it looks serious, and that's because it is. But don't stress, it's fixable, and we'll walk you through it. So what exactly is a defect notice? It's a formal warning from your energy distributor, like Ausgrid or Endeavour Energy, letting you know that part of your electrical setup isn't safe or doesn't meet current standards. It could be caused by an old or damaged switchboard, missing or faulty earthing, unsafe overhead cables, rusted brackets, a broken point of attachment, or deteriorated service mains. These issues can lead to electrical fires, shocks, or blackouts. And if they're not fixed, your power may be disconnected. You'll usually have 21 to 30 days to sort it out before disconnection, so it's important to act quickly. Only a level 2 electrician, like High Demand Electrical, is licensed to do this type of work and clear the notice with your distributor. We'll inspect the issue, provide a clear quote, carry out the repairs to full Australian standards, and handle all the paperwork to get your notice officially cleared. We take care of everything. No stress, no surprises. Just a safe, compliant setup, done the right way. So if there's a defect notice on your door, don't ignore it. Call High Demand Electrical and let us take care of it.